歡迎收睇美國之音製作嘅美國專訊，我係任敬揚。對於好多美國人嚟講，家園係佢哋最大嘅資產，亦係一生人最重要嘅投資。咁失去家園可以話係痛不欲生。咁喺美國而家低迷嘅房地產市場，數以百萬計嘅業主面臨未能夠負擔每個月嘅貸款而被銀行收回物業嘅危機。咁下邊就由我哋嘅記者施威金森去訪問一名啱啱被銀行收回物業嘅業主。
拉斯馬加丹正喺度打掃租住嘅屋企。佢喺3個月前因為失去咗已經擁有6年嘅物業，而被逼搬到嚟呢度居住。
Nobody likes to move, but when it's forced upon you, it tastes even a little bit more bitter.
拉斯同美國為數超過100萬失去房屋物業嘅人一樣，希望能夠有朝一日可以重新獲得失去嘅財產。自從佢喺去年出現財政困難之後，拉斯已經盡力同銀行周旋談判，不過佢始終未能夠提供銀行所要求嘅$36,000嘅款項，因此被銀行收回物業。
I begged and I begged them for a new mortgage, refinance, every possible workable scenario that would benefit them to go down that. They didn't want to hear that. What they wanted was cash. Just give us the cash.
喺幾個月之後，一個出售嘅告示牌就樹立喺佢位於維吉尼亞州南部嘅屋企嘅門前。銀行唔願意評論拉斯馬加丹嘅個案，只係以$35萬虧損價求售。拉斯話：如果銀行願意向佢提供新嘅貸款，咁銀行方面唔會出現咁樣嘅虧損。
I could have worked with them, and the mortgage would have been around $450,000, and they wouldn't have lost $100,000 on the home.
邁爾斯拉波波特係一個公共權益維護組織嘅負責人，佢話有關方面需要動用數以十億計嘅資金嚟到幫助房地產業主免受銀行逼遷收回物業。
I think helping people to stay in their homes while their employment situation and their income situations for many people will deteriorate further is an essential part of keeping the economy from really dropping down.
而家拉斯需要做2份工作，並且同另外3個人一齊租屋住。從2005年開始，佢嘅債務並冇增加，佢喺銀行嘅儲蓄亦都已經出現增長。
The only thing that's realistic that I can do is just to keep plugging away, make my money, try to rebuild and reestablish my credit. I mean, my whole financial life has been wiped out.
拉斯認為好多人會喺2009年面臨物業被銀行收回嘅危機，各方面都需要因此而作出犧牲。
I think it needs to be a joint effort from everybody involved, from the family working on paying the mortgage, all the way up to the highest parts in government, to include the banks, the private sector. Everybody needs to be pulling in the same direction.
拉斯同其他好多失去物業嘅美國人一樣，已經重新振作，從頭開始。拉斯希望能夠喺不久嘅將來再次買屋，重做業主。記者施威金森喺維吉尼亞州費爾法克斯縣嘅報導。
美國目前面臨嘅經濟危機可以話係自從經濟大蕭條以嚟最為嚴重㗎。美國嘅失業率累創新高，受到影響嘅美國人需要逆境求生，亦需要調整自己嘅心態。下邊係我哋嘅記者阿斯加嘅採訪報導。
經濟學家估計，目前美國失業人口數以千萬計，另外仲有好多人被減薪。但係美國人失業或者減薪之後點樣維持生計呢？佩里就係失業之後頑強求生嘅例子。佩里曾經做過房屋貸款工作，薪水好高。今日流落街頭同人擦鞋，佢話被裁員後佢感慨萬千。
Shock, dismay, what am I going to do now?
但係佩里繼續努力，佢吸取經驗教訓，而家開咗6個擦鞋檔。
Don't stop. Depression, filters in and can get the best of you. I just say just continue to put one step in front of the other and believe.
阿科斯同妻子落馬嘅境況唔好得幾多。呢對夫婦雖然保住工作，但係佢哋4500平方英尺嘅房屋被銀行沒收。
The house that we used to live in, the closet was about this big. I had tears and I gone through all the emotion and the anger and everything else. It's just a house.
為咗沖涼，佢哋入會健身房，咁煮飯呢？
Microwave dinners.
阿科斯話：佢哋情況仲好，有瓦遮頭，有咗新觀念。
I'm nobody, and if I can bounce back from this and just say, you know what, and I dust yourself off, get back up, start doing whatever it is you do.
阿科斯話：佢整個家庭損失好大，但係佢打算重拾輝煌。但係短期內睇嚟難以實現。美國經濟自從2007年12月就進入衰退，專家預測美國嘅衰退期將會係二戰以嚟最長嘅。記者阿斯卡報導。
好啦，今日嘅節目時間又夠，多謝各位收睇美國之音製作嘅美國專訊，我係任敬陽，我哋下星期再見。